Okay, now that we have completed the update operation, the last thing that we need to do is the delete operation. So the delete operation is somewhat similar to the update operation, but we need to make some minor changes. So come to the index.php file, go down, and we need to change the delete button the same way we change the update button. So change this to anchor tag and get rid of this type. Okay, now copy this href from the edit tag and paste it in the delete. Now instead of the update, we change it to delete. Okay, now we save this, come to the home page, refresh, and if you click on this delete button, yeah, we are redirected to the delete.php file. Okay, now go to the delete.php file. Now we need to add some code over here, so which is similar to the logic in this update.php file. So just come here, copy this PHP tag, okay, and go to this delete.php, paste it here, and we need to make some changes. So we don't need this include header.php over here. So first we check for the session, then we check for the ID, validate the ID, and then we sanitize the ID. Okay, in this case we won't be posting anything, so we don't need to check that. So okay, so this condition is also not necessary. So that's it. So we don't need this try block. I'm going to remove this. Okay. Okay. So first, what we're going to do is we need to change this to check SQL. Okay. So we need to change this query. Select ID, like select star, you can select everything, tasks, where ID equal to okay. Now this query will check if this ID exists in the table. Now for checking, what we need to do is we need to call the query function. Inside the parentheses we need to pass this. Okay, you go to the update page and you can see this if condition. So just copy this. This is the same thing that we need in the delete also. So come back over here and paste this over here. So if the result came false, we need to throw an exception and tell them that there was an error executing the query. Else, if the number of rows is equal to 0, we need to tell them that there is no task and redirect. And otherwise, we need to fetch the resulting row as an associative array and store it in the task variable. So next, what we can do is we can think about deleting. So for that, we need to write another query deleting. So it will be delete from tasks where ID equal to $ID. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to copy this and paste this over here. Okay, so if the delete SQL has successfully executed, then we need to store it as task deleted successfully and redirect to the index page. Else we throw an exception and store it in this session. Okay, and lastly what we can do is we can put a redirection over here just in case this exception occurs, we need to catch that and redirect, right? So again to the location, direct to the location index.php and exit. Okay, so that's all the logic that we need. Now just save it, go to this page, and we're going to delete this. Yeah, and we can see that the task deleted successfully. Okay, now what we can do is we can make this delete button more user friendly by showing a pop-up using the JavaScript library sweet alert. But since the video is already this much lengthy, I'm going to skip that part. You can refer the code in the GitHub repository that I have given in the description if you want to see how that is done. Or I'll make another video and show you how to implement sweet alert in your project. So that's it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.